Discover how Postman can be your best friend for API testing. Step 1. Download and install Postman from their official website. It's free and available for all major platforms. Once installed, open Postman and sign in or create a new account to get started. Step 2. Click on the new button and select request. Name your request to save it in a new or existing collection. Enter the API endpoint URL and choose the appropriate HTTP method like get, post, put, delete, and depending on what action you want to perform. Step 3. Adding headers and body. Under the headers tab, add any required headers like content type or authorization token. For post or put request, switch to the body tab and select the option. Here you can put your JSON or XML payload. And step 4, sending the request and analyzing the response. Hit the send button to execute the request. Postman will display the response code from the server, including the status code, response time, and body. Use this information to verify your API working correctly. With Postman, you can easily create, organize, and automate your API test, making it an essential tool for every tester. If you found this tip helpful, follow me for more tech tips and testing strategies. See you next time.